Hey everybody, well I'm going live from the gym today. I said okay let there be a change, so Gauri is going to be joining us. So something different. We're going to be talking on a regular topic, something like that. But yeah, anyways guys, I hope everybody is doing good. Muscles Muscles here, new name. I think a lot of people have liked it. So let's see if I can add Gauri. And then I'll show you guys the gym also. And there she comes. Hey Gauri.
Hi. Oh my God, different setting today.
Today is a different setting. Okay, before we start, let me show the gym a little. And
Okay.
best part is,
Mm-hmm.
today it's the 14th anniversary. 14 years back, I took over the gym in the sales and marketing. So we had 14 years, 2007 odd, we had started. So you can look at the
Wow.
layout. It's a very spacious
Wow.
gym, and I think every equipment is here.
Looks like it. It's really good. Well
Oh,
equipped.
very well equipped. And I think these equipments really target the muscles very, very well.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
That's fantastic.
you can't say this is a 14, 15-year-old place. They cooked it up so well.
They have.
You should
It's
tell me
really
that,
well
Gauri.
done.
Remember the days
Wow.
when we worked at fitness centers?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
There's
Well,
lots and
that,
lots and lots.
how often do you go to the gym in a
I
week?
6 days a week. 6 days a week.
Good. So what was
And people
today?
like today, I basically worked on my triceps, and sorry, I worked on my biceps and I worked on my back.
Ooh. Okay.
Before I leave, I do bit of forearms, and then show the. Okay, now let's
Ooh.
get to the point. We've shown everybody quite a bit of it. Okay, let me turn the camera. Gauri, I've been getting a lot of calls. I got a lot of calls. Everybody is asking me about one thing that we're suddenly talking about is lifestyle management, or what you like to call healthy lifestyle coaching. Now, why
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
don't you see that is something which has actually helped me. It has given me a lot of realization of how my diet should be, how my health, fitness, everything, especially my food patterns and things like that. I think that has
Mm-hmm.
been the major learning. I still eat everything, I enjoy everything, but I think you have, tutored me or taught me well that that's the right amount, that's the wrong amount. It's okay to overdo it once in a while, but remember not to keep overdoing it. So give a little insight, give a little info to everybody out there. What exactly is in your terms, healthy, uh, lifestyle coaching.
All right. So that's basically what we do is healthy lifestyle coaching. It is and it's a whole picture. It's you as a client as a whole picture. Okay. And coaching isn't about me telling you this is what has to be done. Okay. Or you have to do this or you don't have to do this. No, it's basically client led. That means my job is to ask you the right questions or gently direct you in a particular way, direction where you have decided to go. So before, when we start off the entire process, so this is what my process looks like. A complete thorough assessment is done to know what your lifestyle is like, what your schedules are like, what your work schedule, living schedule, eating schedule, fitness schedules, everything about you, your history, geography, and everything else is what we want to know as a coach. Once we know that, we set goals. So my job is to make sure I understand what your goals are, where you want to reach. And once we establish those into very specific, relatable, realistic, they have to be time bound, all those things we take into account. Once we establish that, the next thing we do is straight off is decide how we're going to reach those goals. So you and I, when we talked, it was all about everything to do with your love for food. You didn't want to give up certain things. you wanted to add few things, you know, it was trying to
I think
make
my
things
smile smells a lot.
yeah, your smile says it all. Basically, I think what we did for you and what we really do for each client is make it as simple as possible. It has to be about your daily lifestyle, and whatever changes you and I as a team decide, that and how can we make sure that those small changes are put into your lifestyle every day.
Okay,
The
now,
second thing that, yeah, go ahead.
okay, before you go ahead, let me see if I can put this in such a simple way. You know,
Hmm.
according to me, a healthy coaching lifestyle that you have taught me is basically understanding food groups, things, habits that are sustainable, things that are going to go with me for a very, very long time. You know,
That's
you have
that's my
understood,
second point.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
You know, you have made me
Yeah.
understand that okay, Pratik, these are things you enjoy, these are things you wouldn't want to go up because see, example, somebody who loves pastries, you make them give up pastries and things like that. Roundabout, they're going to come back to that point where they're going to be again back to pastries and back to round one. Rather
Where they're
try losing
craving
or
it.
getting,
Yeah, where they're
yeah.
craving it.
So what
Hmm.
you crave for, don't give. You know, life already has expects you to give up so many things. Why to give up good food? Okay.
So
Yeah.
take based on that. I mean, the second point that I was coming to is like exactly that. Whatever we do, it has to be sustainable. So those changes that we talk about, like you and I talk about changes that you want to do every day, that you want to see to reach your goals. Those changes don't have to be huge. They have to be small. Small changes over a period of time, meaning consistency, doing them over and over again, will bring about change that you can sustain for the rest of your life. Okay. And the third point, it's all about learning.
Correct.
At the
Absolutely.
end of the process, you know where I am. You know you can get in touch with me. Okay. But at the end of the process, as a coach, my job is to make sure that you have learned and you can apply these techniques anytime, whether it's 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 10 years, or 20 years from now. That's how it has to work. It has to be simple, it has to be sustainable, and it has to be a learning process that you can apply at any given point. So these three things is what a coach should actually be working
Exactly. You know,
with a client.
I like the way you say coach and not trainer or something like that. Because a coach. Now, if you go back to our good old school days, we all had that favorite teacher. You know, that teacher who we really liked, enjoyed the class, no
Right.
matter what. And when that teacher, you know, taught you something, you know, you have carried that teaching, you know, through these years till now because she's taught you in that
Absolutely.
particular manner. So, you know, I think Gauri coaches people that well, understands, she, you know, understands a lifestyle, a person's personality. So she does well. That is why I think she is very, very good with what she does. And that is what we're trying today to communicate and let it be Juvenate or let it be Fitness Performance, our companies today. But that is what we try to tell people that, you know, it is a simple way. It is not that complicated. Stop complicating things. You guys have seen me go from
Exactly.
size to size, but it is not. I've enjoyed this. I have put in effort, everything, but I've enjoyed it. I know people say working hard, training hard, but it's also training smart. That counts a lot.
Exactly.
Okay. And
Absolutely.
Gauri,
And
I know you have a very good example about one of you know, but people think I'm the only test case right now in the market for you. But I think you have somebody else who you actually help. I think the person had
so there
issues.
are
When
so
yeah,
one of the clients that I had in the past. So just a quick example. She came to me with older lady came to me with one of the biggest things was acid reflux, and this is very common. This is something that I've seen a lot in, especially in these lockdown periods. I've seen a lot of people suffering from acid reflux and acidity. Where people are not able to feel comfortable with their acid with their food or their daily lifestyle. um, the secondary goal was to lose weight. One of the things that the first primary focus that we did was get things in order. We didn't change anything. We didn't change the food she was eating. We probably added food. Okay. Added a very simple exercise routine where she was walking rather than doing hardcore gym workouts, because that's something she couldn't do. Um, Using just that, the first thing that we noticed within, I think, max 2 weeks was the acid reflux completely disappeared. the second side effect, if you want to call it, was the weight loss. So that was the goal that she really wanted to, that was her long-term goal. But the primary goal, once it was reached, and she was comfortable with what she was doing and what what she could manage in her lifestyle, she was able to see the major goal being able to be accomplished slowly but surely. And we keep in touch with our clients over a period of time. And I just recently spoke to her. She reached her goal with me, and post that, over the last 3-4 months that she's been managing this on her own, she's still losing weight, and she's still reaching a new goal that she set for herself, which is fantastic. And she always knows that if she has any problems, she can always revert back, and we can always talk things
Yeah,
through.
she can
So
always have a session.
yeah,
I think that's with all Gauri's,
absolutely.
all Gauri's clients or students or, even with me, we thought of a very different goal, but that goal that, hey, itna kar liya, ab aur karenge. You know, dil mange more. That line
Dil
is very
mange more.
famous.
Listen, but one of the things I have to say is we keep it realistic, okay? We make
Absolutely.
sure, yeah, we keep it realistic. We talk about realities. We talk about life, how life gets in the way. We talk about situations. If situations change, how do we change with the situations? That's really important. And those are the things that you have to keep in mind.
Absolutely right. Actually talking about acidity, all that. I think next session we've already decided. Let's give everybody to be. Oh yeah, sorry. I got paused. Yeah, as I was saying that we are going to be talking about if the word is like erratic food habits that I had.
Aha,
I
yes.
let people come to people think that I had a very, you have to know I had, she's saying gastrics, I had gastrics, I had heartburn, I had acid reflux, and understand the eating habits that I had come from to how I changed and evolved. I rather still am understanding, changing and evolving. So, those things we will share so that you all come to that it's just not fitness, it's just not workout, it's just not exercise. There are a lot of personal, small things, involved in a
Right.
person's health which make a lot of difference. I almost for 2 years had such a problem with acid reflux. I'm stressed on this, and thankfully that is restored and has rather, I would say, reduced to a very large extent. So that
Yeah,
that,
it's
that
only
is
when you do really crazy things that it comes back up. Yeah, I know
yeah.
that.
So it's like that, yeah, exactly. So it's in a way good. You learn so much. You guys have to see that session because that will be one session where you'll realize, okay, this guy was off the wagon. The wagon was somewhere, he was somewhere. So it's gonna be
Totally.
that, and then Gauri will tell you, the do's and don'ts of things there. So anyway, Gauri, I think you would like to end it with saying something, you know.
Yes, I would like to say, it is an amazing journey. As a coach, we are a part of your journey. We are just there to help, and are just there to aid you or direct you when you're about to fall off the wagon. That's where we come in. But at the end of the day, I have to say one extra thing is Juvenate and I are really stoked. We are so happy to be, working with Fitness Performance India, and we hope to see more of you join this.
Oh yes, we are out there. Everybody who's been asking us to help us. We're out there. You guys can DM us. I'm going to be
Absolutely.
starting to put up more and more information as time goes. It's a it's a keyword going on right now, so we are in process. We are in line, guys. If you have any question, any queries, or if you're looking for a fitness program or any fitness requirement, we have an amazing team right now with us. You can get in touch. We'll try and introduce you to our team members very soon. So
Right.
this will be good. At least we'll start getting information on them. So guys, do let us know, and I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys have a great evening ahead. And do like the video if you liked it. All right. So it's signing off from Gauri and Hustle Muscles. I'm gonna go by
Bye.
that. Bye, Gauri. Thank you so much.
Bye, Pratik.